Are you looking for an awesome set of pads that's not going to break the bank? These are the Stoptech Street Select brake pads. What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here. Here in front of me I have the Stoptech Street Select brake pads. Now these ones are going to be specific for the OE Brembo application. So if you've got an STI, an EVO, and there's a lot of other cars out there that use this same exact pad. But let's go ahead and pull these out of the box here. So I know brake pads aren't too exciting, especially when you're just buying pads for your daily driver. But if you've got an STI, if you've got an EVO, you want a good set of pads. And this is, in my opinion, the perfect daily driver pad. Go ahead and do me a favor. Go to the dealership and ask how much a replacement set of OE pads are. It's asinine how expensive they are. These things are incredibly inexpensive, and I mean incredibly inexpensive. You could burn through a set of these in a week and still not equal the amount that the OEM pads are. But they're also incredibly high quality and they perform exceptionally well. They're a para-aramid composite material, which means they're going to be quiet, low on dust, and still have that stopping performance that you would expect out of an OEM Plus type pad, because these will perform better than your OEM pads. It's just the way it is. So if you've ever overheated your factory pads, maybe you cruise the canyon, maybe you do some aggressive driving from time to time, and you will at some point overheat your factory pads. These ones will be able to withstand that heat quite a bit better, but you can take these out on a frigid morning and you're still going to be able to stop just fine, unlike more aggressive pads which require heat to build up into them. And so these pads are perfect for, you know, your daily driver application. Maybe you do an occasional autocross, maybe you do a lapping day or something like that. These ones are going to survive, and I promise you that. These are, in my opinion, the best all-around pad because they're going to perform incredibly well. You have excellent pedal feedback response. So as you hit that pedal, these are going to basically give you the confidence that you're going to know, okay, my brakes are working and they're working properly. They're going to be able to handle more heat than factory. You're going to get maybe a tiny bit more dust, a tiny bit more noise than stock, but really I would say that's negligible. You know, a lot of people are like, oh, I want a pad with no dust. Well, you can't get a performance pad with no dust. It's just not going to happen. But you can get a very good pad with very low dust and very low noise, and that's exactly what these are. So whether you've got a show car, a street car, you know, your weekend car or something like that, if you're looking for replacement pads, don't go to the dealership. Check out these Stoptech Street Select pads and you will be super, super happy. Thanks for watching. That's all the time we've got for you today. We'll see you guys next time.